What's going on, guys? Here is Zana and welcome back to another reaction on my YouTube channel. I hope everybody's doing well and you have a really beautiful day. In today's video, you guys requested to the comments I should react on viral TikTok, Instagram Reels. So I just found a video on YouTube at searching and I found Instagram Reels viral songs 2022 and also TikTok Reels. I'm gonna react to the most popular and viral songs on social media, Instagram and TikTok, and I'm very curious to hear another Indian songs because yes, they are Indian viral songs, and I'm very curious to listen to them because I just listen some Indian songs and also rap and hip hop songs, but I'm very curious what like the viral songs are. And yes, let's sit together, let's react for the first time here on my channel to viral sounds in India. So let's go. Okay, I already know the vibe. I love this type of rhythm and musicality as well. I really like the number 5. Okay, I just hear some really cool music here. Sorry, I just cannot dance. Oh. No way. Wait. This was Indian crew, number 12. Okay, I'm gonna memorize my number 12, and I'm gonna watch if they are crew, or let me know in the comments box section below, guys, if you know more infos about them. It seems to be a crew. I don't know. Guys, let me know if I should dance on TikTok on some Indian songs, or just let me know the actual viral songs in moment on TikTok, and I'm gonna make a dance on it. By the way, my username TikTok, you can find it in my bio. Okay, until now my favorite was the number 5 and 12. Oh, nice. I have to mention, guys, when I was a little child and and I just look at TV with my parents, and we often was like such a ritual. I lived in Romania, and always on Sunday, in the evening, there were on a TV program where was always an Indian film, and this was such a ritual. Every single Sunday we watched to an Indian movie, and yes, this was so nice. I just can remember, and I still can remember, because in Romania there was a film where an Indian actor just came to my city, and in Transylvania, maybe someone just heard about it, and he filmed some scenes in the city where I was, because the city where I lived is a historical city with a citadel, and it's just a beautiful view. And I don't know his name, but if I remember, I'm gonna tell you guys. But he was a very, very renowned and popular actor on in the Indian movies, and I saw him. I unfortunately didn't get a photo with him, because he always had bodyguards around him. But this was such a great experience, and I just saw how he filmed. Yes, but this was so nice. I was a little kid. I think I was 10, but yes. Salman Khan, he was the actor. He was the actor, guys. I'm very cool. I'm sure if you are from India, you know him. Salman Khan was the actor that I saw in reality. Yes. This song is kind of movie film. Ha! This is the actor, Salman Khan. You can see right here, guys. And the right man, yes, this was him. He just was in so many movies, so crazy. And how much I know, he is with an Romanian wife. He has a Romanian wife. Okay, this was the most viral Instagram reels and also TikTok reels from 2022, guys. I heard pretty many songs that I liked with that vibe I love the most, and I have to say, I just love Indian music. There are some music, some songs, some beats where I say, yes, I just freaking love it. And how I said, I also met an Indian actor, the Salman Khan. So if you know, guys, let me know in the comments box section below. And yes, what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments box section below. And also let me know if you want more such reactions to Indian songs or reels or viral sounds or dances. Let me know if you know another video. Just leave a link down below and I'm gonna read every single one. I was Anna. Thank you for watching this. Stay healthy, stay positive, and see you in the next video. Bye.